Namaskar to all of you. Today we will revise from Math Ncert chapter number 10. Okay, these chapters are based on perimeter and area of two-dimension figure. We have already solved so many problems: perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square, perimeter of triangle, and area also. Today we will solve some problems from exercise 10.3. From exercise 10.3 we will solve some important questions. Everybody open your copy. From exercise 10.3. Exercise 10.3. There have the problems on the basis of different kinds of square and rectangular shaped fields, gardens and tables, floor, flower beds, etc. Okay, so many problems. I will solve some problems. There have 10 problems. So out of 10 problems, 4 or 5 problems based on square and 5 and 4 problems based on rectangular shaped any figure. Okay, suppose question number 4. Question number 4. The area of a rectangular garden is 50 meter long. Suppose it is a rectangular shaped garden ABCD whose long, that means length 50 meter. What are given? Length and area. Area is given. Area 300 square meter. 300 meter square or square meter. You have to find out the breadth of the garden. Okay, you know that to find out the area of a particular rectangular shape, rectangular field, rectangular park, rectangular lawn, place, etc. To find out the area, what is the formula? Length into breadth. Okay, so in this problem, area is also given. Area is also given, length is also given. So you know that according to question, length into breadth equal to area. Length into breadth equal to area. So what are given? Length is given, area is given. You have to find out the breadth. Then breadth will be area divided by length. This is the procedure. According to the equation, length into breadth equal to area. Now you have to find out the length of the breadth. Length of the breadth. So breadth will be left hand side, right will be to the transposing to the right hand side. So area divided by length, because length was multiple to the breadth. So when it will transpose to the right hand side, it will act as a divisor. Okay. Now area is also given 300 meter square. Length is also given 50 meter. That means 6 meter. Okay. There have meter square and meter. So 1 meter will be reduced. So the length, the breadth of the or width of the rectangular park will be 6 meter. Which formula applied here? Length into breadth equal to area. This is the formula of area of rectangle. Next, question number 5. Next, question number 5. There have also a rectangular plot. So I am not cleaning the figure. Just it is a rectangular plot whose length and breadth are given. It is a rectangular plot or garden of land 500 meter long. 500 meter long. breadth 500 meter long, breadth 200 meter. That means wide or width. What is the question? What is the cost of tilling? That means what is the tilling? What is the cost of tilling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter width at a rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter. Per 100 square meter. So at first you have to find out the area of the land. Okay. So area of the land. Area of the land. It is a rectangular plot. So area will be length into breadth meter square. That means 5 to the 10. How many 0? 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 meter square. Now, what is the question? What is the cost of tilling a rectangular plot at meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 meter square? Per 100 meter square. That means how many 100 square meter will be within the 150? So the cost will be suppose 1 2 3 4 5 0 into rupees 8 rupees per 100 meter square, per 100 meter square. So how many 100 meter square are there? 1100 meter square. At first you can divide the 1 lakh meter square per 100. Okay. So I have written directly the cost. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. 1 lakh meter square into 8 rupees per 100 meter square. 100 meter square. So how many 100 meter square are there? So for this reason I have divided the total area by 100. 1020, 1020. Now 8,000 rupees. Do you understand this portion? Very important. What is the cost of tilling at rate rupees 8 per 100 square meter? Per 100 square meter. So I have divided the total area by 100. So how many 100 meters square there? 1100 meter square. Next, question number 6. Next, question number 6. Next, question number 6. There have a square table. Square shaped table. Question number 6. A tabletop measure 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. That means it is also a rectangular shape. Okay. It is also a rectangular shape tabletop. Suppose it is the table and it is the top of the table. Suppose PQRS, the table whose measures 2 meter by that means 2 meter length and 1 meter 50 centimeter breadth. When you will see that the measures are given in this way, eto by eto. That means the first value is length, second value is breadth. Okay. So what is the question? What is its area in square meter? In square meter, but they have given meter centimeter. So you will write in this case 1.5 meter. Because look very carefully, 50 centimeter. So change into meter by dividing by 100. So 0.5, 1 meter, 1.5 meter. That means 1 meter 50 centimeter. Okay. So meter and meter. Why I have converted the meter centimeter into meter? Because in the question they have given per meter square. Per meter square. So centimeter will be converted into meter. What is its area in square meter? Now area. Which kind of table? The figure is table. The figure of the table is square, rectangular shape. So length into breadth, meter into meter. That means in the next line you will write the 3.0 meter square. 2 15 are 30 and one before one digit there will be point will be moved to the left hand side. Okay. So what will be the area in square meter? If they have not mentioned that find out the area in square meter, then you can understand, then you can convert it into centimeter. Then 2 meter 200 centimeter, 1 meter 50 centimeter, that means 150 centimeter. You can done. But they have mentioned in the answer line, in the last line, find the square of its area in square meter. So I have converted into square meter. That means in meter. Okay. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. A room is 4 meter long, 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. A room is 4 meter long. Suppose it is also a rectangular shape. 3 meter long. Suppose ABCD. 3 meter long and 3 meter long. No. 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. Okay. How many square meter of carpet needed to cover the floor of the room? It is just like also in the previous problem. Okay. Now square meter, that means 3.50, that means 5 meter. The answer is said that find the area in square meter. How many carpets are needed? How many carpets are needed means you have to find out the area, total area. That means total floor. But when you will find the perimeter, that means total boundary. To fencing the boundary of rectangular or boundary of circular or boundary of square shape any part. In that case you will find the perimeter. But in this case, how many carpets are needed to cover the floor? That means area. Okay. Now, how many square meters of carpet needed to cover the floor of the room? At first, you will find area of the room. So length into breadth, length into breadth. 4 5 are 20, 4 3 are 12, 14. 14.0 meter square. That means 14 meter square carpet is needed to cover the floor. 14 meter square carpet is needed to cover the floor. Question number 8. This is also very important and quite different from the other problems. Look at the blackboard very carefully. There have a lawn. There have a floor. Question number 8. 4 meter long, 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Suppose it is a floor of 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. 4 meter wide. Suppose EFGH, a 5 meter long and 4 meter wide floor. What is the question? A square carpet of 3 meter is laid on the floor. On the floor, a square carpet floor. A square carpet of 3 meter. Its sides are 3 meter. 3 meter. What is the question? Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So which portions are carpeted? Only these portions are carpeted. So at first you will find the area of the floor. Area of the floor. Area of the floor. So area of the floor 4 into 5. That means 5 into 4 meter square. 20 meter square. Total floor, area of the total floor. From the total floor, this portion will be subtracted. This portion will be subtracted. What is this? It is square separate carpet. Area of the square separate carpet. Area of the square separate carpet. What is the area of the square? Side into side. That means 3 into 3 meter square. That means 9 meter square. The area of these portions. The area of these portions is 9 meter square. What is the question? Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. That means this portion is not carpeted. So non-carpeted area. That means 9 meter will be subtracted from 20 meter. So 20 minus 9. That means 11 meter square. Okay. So this problem is quite different from the others. These type of questions will be given in your question half yearly examination. Okay. At first you will find the area of the total floor. Then find the area of the square separate carpet. Only this portion has carpeted. Only this portion is carpeted. So how much portion are non-carpeted? That means from the total area where you will subtract, then you will find out the non-carpeted area. Okay. So from total 20 meter square, 9 meter square will be subtracted. So 11 meter square floor part is not carpeted. Okay.